Well, so the WA government has basically underwritten the liabilities of the Perth Mint. So if there was ever a question of insolvency, they will write a check. Now, some people have taken that on face value and say, well, no matter what happens with the Perth Mint, the WA government's going to step in. One of the questions I continually ask investors when they put this to me is, have you actually examined the balance sheet of the WA government and actually assessed the quality of that guarantee? Because the Western Australian government has been racking up debt for the last 15 years, and obviously in the last 12 months with COVID, there's been a massive expansion of the balance sheet.
Well, maybe that's why they need more GST.
Potentially. But now the other thing is that the Western Australian also came out and wrote a story, and said Mint versus the conspiracy theorists. And where have we heard this again? 2019, Aaron Patrick of the AFR calling you and I conspiracy theorists. So it is the same. It is the same playbook that I have continued to see. You, particularly with this financial sector in this country, you start to ask questions, you start to prod and poke, and then they just basically say, oh, you have no credibility, you're a conspiracy theorist.